Hey everybody, Crystal Heart Nightwind here, and before I start episode 4, there's a special guest who wants to do this episode. So here she is.
Hi guys, this is Mana the Dark here, daughter of Nephilis the Dark.
Anyway, the reason why episode 4 is like that because Mana demanded the idea. Yeah, and she wanted her father Mephiles in the SSS show, so I decided to do that.
And I thank Kay's very much for doing that, because I can't be a daughter of Nephilis the Dark without my father here.
Well, true. But anyway, now that that's settled, on to episode 4, let's get started. And I'll see you guys in the next announcement video.
Dark side in my heart is it's something that can never ever be wiped away. I don't care, no I don't give a damn. I gave it my all with my own two hands. The path I avoided deep within is looking like my only option. It's time for me to go at it myself. Destiny I hid inside, I can't achieve it, kills my pride. Alone in my world, and I can't hear the sound of a distorted world falling. There won't be tomorrow if we all crumble now. I won't throw it all away, I won't say goodbye precious life. Destiny I hid inside, I can't achieve it, kills my pride. Alone in my world, and I can't hear the sound of a distorted world falling. There won't be tomorrow if we all crumble now. I won't throw it all away, I won't say goodbye precious life. Dark cloud in my heart is, I know it's gonna fade because a light is shining on my path. Let's fight, the end is near. With you by my side, I don't have any fears.
Damn it. I didn't get that much sleep last night ever since I got turned into a werewolf. Man, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be like this, but thanks to her, I really got the cure. This sucks. Huh?
Hey Kay, need your help. I want you to check on Mana.
Okay, but why do you want me to check up on her?
Oh, she's your child, and you need to help her.
Fine, I'll go see what's wrong with her. Man, Kathy's saying that you had a problem, so what's going on?
It's nothing. Don't worry about it.
Mana, I'm your father. You know something is up, so Kathy told me to help you out with your problem. Is there something you're not telling us? Look, talk to me tonight, and then we'll resolve this problem, okay? Just try to think about it and then talk to me.
Yes, there's a problem. But since you're my father, I'm only gonna tell you this. But don't tell the others, because I can't tell you tonight, because I have to be somewhere.
Alright, just talk to me tonight. I'll see you later.
Now I can watch my movie.
Levi, we have a huge problem.
What is it, Night Frost?
Wait, who's saying
Well,
that?
Amy found our home and now she's making an army to look for Sonic.
What? How the hell did she found this place? Our home is off limits for the outside.
Okay,
I don't know. But anyway, we have to stop them. I tried asking Kay to let him and Mana in somewhere.
Well, okay. Let's go kill some enemies.
Okay, Mana, we're here. Now, Mana, what's going on? Is there something you're not telling me?
You know how both you and Kathy found me when I was about 10 years old alone, and you became my father because we have the same kind of blood?
Yeah, you did ask me that. Mana, Can you please tell me what's going on? I'm here for you. So, why haven't you been saying anything? Why have you been flustered?
There's something that you and the others don't know about me that I'm afraid that if I do say, you'll turn away from me.
And what will that be?
My father, well, I'm the daughter of Nephilis the Dark.
You're
That's so
what?
glitchy and happy.
Wait. What? You're the daughter of Mephiles the Dark? But you two. So that explains why your hair almost looked like him. Why didn't you tell me? Mana, why didn't you tell me that you're the daughter of Mephiles the Dark?
Because I knew that if I would, that you and the others would probably turn away from me since of how my father tried killing so many people in the past.
I see. So if people find out your secret, then they're gonna turn on you. Don't worry, your secret's safe with me. So please don't turn this way. Alright?
Okay,
What the?
please.
Hang on. I'm sensing a large amount of energy. A darkness energy approaching us.
Please.
Yes?
Nephilis. That's my father.
So he's coming. There he is!
We meet again, Nana.
And what is it you want to tell me?
Please tell Shadow that over the time since we gotten to know each other, that I've developed feelings for him, and I want to be his girlfriend.
Well, I think he already heard that. Shadow, you can come out now.
Wait, Shadow's here?
Well, yeah, I know my fucking god. It's Nephilis the Dark.
That's right, Shadow. But right now I'm not here. For you, I'm about to tell Nana about her past.
Wait, Mana's past? Is it about something about her family? Mana, what's going on? Can you please tell us about what happened in your past?
I don't really know much about my past, and Father, I swear to God, if you hurt Kays or my Shady, I will not do this quest. Kays has taken care of me and became my father, and I adore and love Shadow. Hurt them, and I am not taking this quest.
Okay, fine. Let's just do this. Okay, Nana. Damn it. There's no end to them. And they're that shit crazy.
I know. Go ahead, Siles. Can you hack into the cloning machine?
Well, I can try. But it will take time.
Well, I guess we're here. It's about time.
Yeah, this is the place.
Mana, is this the place where you grew up in? Is this your old home? Is this the place you grew up in? Your old home?
Oh my God. Yes, it is.
So this is where you were born.
Yes.
I think I get it. It was after Levi. This is after Mephiles is adopted. They're birth to you, right?
Nephilis is my biological father. But my mother ended up dying because she was an angel, and angels were forbidden to fall in love with demons. She didn't care what they were trying to do. She fell in love with my father anyways, and she had me. After I was born, when I turned 5, one of the king of angels took my mother and brought her back up to heaven. Since I'm part demon and part angel, I was able to go up there. I saw him about to shoot her, but I was terrified. But before I could save her, it was too late, and she was already shot in front of me. That's a memory I can't get out of my head.
So that's why Mephiles brought you here.
Nana, I'm so sorry for your loss.
It's alright, Shadow. I'm just glad that my father's still here. You guys might not know, but the reason why he's always tried killing people, he turned insane when I ended up getting kidnapped. I was the only one to keep him sane. But now that he's with me again, he is able to now be good. And I'm never going to leave his side again. And I'm just glad that you guys have taken care of me, especially you, Kays, and you, Shadow. I don't know where I would have been without such a great boy like you in my life, Shadow.
I see. I get it.
Yeah, thanks for telling us this, Mana. And, Mephiles, trust me on this. I promise I'll take care of Mana. I won't let her die by the dark name. And Mana, I'll protect you no matter what. And even for your mom's sake. Is that
Wait.
cool?
I don't want Mephiles to be alone again. If I'm not with him, he's going to continue. I want to bring him back to the others.
Don't worry. While you were talking, me and Mephiles made a deal with you. He told me that if you protect Mana, I won't kill people no more.
I still don't care. My mother has been away from me, and I've been away from my father for so long. It's time that he comes and shows that he's actually being able to be good. And I want them to know who my actual father is. And it's
Yeah,
time that
but
I
remember. Yeah, but Mana, remember, Silver doesn't trust Mephiles because he tricked him. And remember, during Sonic 06, he combined with Iblis and became Solaris.
Yes, but thing is, when that happened, I was born right after, and let's just say, me and my father destroyed Solaris' flames, because we didn't want what happened to happen again.
But that's what happened. But that when Sonic and Elise blew up the candle for Solaris.
Yes, but Kays, there's one other person who knows about Mephiles being my father, and now trusts him, and that's my son Silver.
I understand. But we have to go. The others are in danger.
Mephiles, Dad, will you be willing to assist us in this? To show that you're good?
Dad, okay. Fine, I'll do it.
The plan is coming together. Soon they're all going to die. A night crystal.
Next time on Lightning Universe. What the frick is this? It says here that multiple sightings of a symbol calling themselves the Shadow Warriors. So my brother, he finally found us.
Daddy? What do you mean?
Nathan Nightwind has finally found the Wind Shacks. Episode 5 of Lightning Universe. Nightwind Brothers Reunion.
You